Hello and welcome. Today I wanna try to explain what is cybersecurity frameworks and why we need to follow them. I'll tell you what cybersecurity frameworks are, why we need them, and the different types you might come across in your tech work. This video will prepare you for future videos where I will discuss each security framework in details. Before we proceed, if you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps grow our community and signals to YouTube that this channel provides valuable information. I very appreciate your help in sharing knowledge. So, what exactly a security framework? Think of it as a simple guide or checklist. It helps organizations keep their systems and data safe. By using these guides, companies can protect themselves against cyber attacks, data loss, or security mistakes. There are different kinds of security frameworks, and each one fits a certain need or type of business. Some are general and used by almost any organization, while others are specific to certain industries. Let me briefly compare a few key frameworks to help you understand their unique strengths. One general example is ISO 27000. Many companies around the world use it because it gives clear instructions for managing data safety. It covers everything from securing computer systems and training staff to managing physical access to offices and data centers. This makes it suitable for any organizations serious about information security. Implementing ISO 27000 recommendations and achieving certifications can significantly enhance an organization's cybersecurity and build greater trust from client side. If your business deals with credit cards, you'll use PCI DSS. This framework contains monetary requirements for companies of all sizes, from small shops to large banks, that protects credit cards transactions. Without proper certification based on PCI DSS guidelines, you can't legally process credit card payments directly on your websites. If you fail to meet these requirements, you could face large fines. For instance, I once saw a large card processing center, certified as PCI DSS Level 2, receive fines twice within 2 years. This happened because auditors found card numbers stored in production log files, simply because developers forgot to turn off debug information. This clearly shows that PCI DSS is not just theoretical. It's very real and essential. Another widely used framework is the NIST CyberSecurity Framework. Originally from the US, it's now popular globally because it's flexible and easy to adopt. Many businesses and even governments choose it to manage cybersecurity risks. Recently, NIST updated this framework to version 2, added new guidelines for cybersecurity governance, and improved recommendations on continuous security practices, reflecting the latest trends and threats. In European Union, GDPR is crucial for any businesses handling personal data from the EU citizens. It sets strict rules for privacy and how data must be collected and protected. Personal data is extremely sensitive, and failure to follow GDPR guidelines can lead to heavy fines and damage to your company's reputation. Following GDPR rules helps protect your business and the privacy of your customers. Why should we as tech professionals pay attention to these frameworks? just because they guide our decisions every day. Whether you are developing software, designing network architecture, or managing data, these frameworks help you make choices that keep data secure and the systems safe. Over the years, I've observed numerous cases where these frameworks have prevented serious security breaches. In upcoming videos, I'll share detailed real-world examples from my career, highlighting exactly how each framework was successfully applied. I also love to hear your experience with these frameworks. Feel free to share your stories, ask questions, or tell me know which framework you'd like to discuss first in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next video.